it says to apply light beam liquid eyeshadow on your lid. So you could use a little doe foot applicator just to let you know what I've already done. So applied deep CC cream, but I did foundation primer, deep CC cream, and eye primer. And now that I've had, and it says to take your cream eyeshadow brush and you can just kind of move it around into the inner corners and into the crease. So eyeshadows, say you don't feel confident in your eyeshadow ability. You don't feel like, whoa, I'm a shadow game down where I would like it. So get the cream eyeshadows, they are $14 each. And you can just use the brush. You don't even have to have a brush. You can use the brush in it. It's just this instruction is calling for me to use the cream shadow, but I just wanted a little bit more on my lid there. Very fast, so it's not like you got to wait a while. You can go right into using your powders. So basically I've loaded up my brush and I'm not blending, I'm petting. So it's just like I'm gently laying it down. So here's our outer corner. I'm just going to show you where that's at. Okay. And I'm just going to kind of bring it down. As you can see it's that V on the outer corner there. It's like the Espresso is like the darkest brown that we have in the line of the Chromafusion eyeshadows. You could always use like, I believe like Latte or Cocoa. Those guys are dark too. But they're contours if you wanted something even darker. Or if you wanted to go really dark, we have Onyx now. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go just under. See how it's under the eye on this eye? And I'm just kind of going you can go over as far as you feel. If you want to go to the whole thing, you can. I'm just going, and I feel like I should go up just a little bit higher here. I just didn't go quite as high on the side. Okay. Now, we've not done any blending or anything like that. I feel like it's even. So I'm just gonna keep blending because I did go a little harder on there, but I can blend it down because I really love for people to see placement. Okay. Going over there, just blending it until it's soft. So it looks almost just like seamless as it's going going back. Is there? I feel like there, and it does have a little inside of all of our mechanical pencils. They have a little sharpener if you need to sharpen the point, but I think it's okay right now. instruction sheet is telling us just to make a small wing at the end of the eye. On a more dramatic eye, you can just make it a little bit more dramatic. I'm just gonna go right there in that inner corner of the eye, and then it's saying just a little under the brow bone there. And I might just kind of just a light tap there, just so it looks like, you know. And again, just like the eyeliner ones, our lip liners also have the sharpener on the tip to sharpen the tip of your Every girl needs a good red lipstick in her collection. The step we forgot was our cheeks. Golden copper is the color that Hopeful Romantic calls for. So we're just gonna apply a little bit of that to our cheeks. Now the look is complete. Have an awesome one.